Escrow is a finite when two parties take part in a transaction and there is uncertainty about the fulfillment of their obligations. Situations that may use escrow can involve internet transactions, banking, intellectual property, real estate, mergers and acquisitions, law, and more. Consider a company that is selling goods internationally. That company requires assurance that it will receive payment when the goods reach their destination. The buyer, for their part, is prepared to pay for the goods only if they arrive in good condition. The buyer can place the funds in escrow with an agent with instructions to disperse them to the seller once the goods arrive in a suitable state. This way, both parties are protected and the transaction can proceed. Types of escrow. The first one is escrow and real estate. Escrow accounts can apply to real estate transactions. Placing the funds in escrow with a third party allows the buyer to make a good faith deposit or perform due diligence on a potential property acquisition. Escrow accounts also assure the seller that the buyer is serious about the purchase. Number 2 is escrow and the stock market. Stocks are often issued in escrow. In this case, while the shareholder is the real owner of the stock, the shareholder has limited rights when it comes to the disposal of the stock. Number 3 is escrow and online sales. Online escrow, like real estate and stock market escrow, protects the buyer and seller from fraud or non-payment. An online escrow service acts as the third party for online product sales. Buyers send their payments to the escrow service, which holds the money until the product is received. Advantages and disadvantages of escrow. Advantages of escrow account. Provides protection during transactions, notably for real estate involving sizable amounts of money. Allows for monthly payments toward insurance and taxes, instead of a large lump sum. Beneficial for both the buyer and seller when big-ticket items are involved. Disadvantage of escrow account: higher mortgage payments, if escrow is used for taxes and insurance. Estimates might be incorrect for tax due. Online escrow service fees might be higher than those on other platforms, such as PayPal. Escrow is generally considered good, as it protects the buyer and seller in a transaction. In addition, escrow as part of mortgage payments is generally good for the lender and helps the buyer by ensuring property taxes and homeowners insurance are paid on time.